Hello everyone, today we will create a whiteboard app in App Lab. Let's see how it works. So here you can see we can draw here, and when I click random color we can write in random pen, and when I click this any color, and we can also write color here, color name here, black, hmm, and we can also control the size of it, and we can also erase it here. Yeah, simply. Okay, so let's start making it. So for that we will go to code.org platform, and you need to sign in, then click create, then go to app lab. Yeah, so first of all we'll go to design here, and we have to design like this, but I have already made this app. I want to take the design from this app, so I will just click import screen and paste the link here. I will click next, and here I will import the screen, and here you can see it's here. So we don't just take some buttons here, and a text input label, and another label, and a slider, and a eraser. Okay, eraser button eraser. Now let's go to code, and here first of all take on event. On event, uh, on event screen one mouse move. Okay, so before that I want to give some commands to this. First of all I will give hide. Okay, then pen up. Okay, now here I will give on event when this mouse screen one mouse move, then I want to move to here you can see a function here. So in this bracket give mouse. Okay, then move to mouse dot x, mouse dot y. Now at last we leave a semicolon. Now let's take on event again. On event screen one. Wait. Screen one. Screen one. Mouse up. Just gonna switch to blocks and go to turtle, and here you can see pen up. Then I will just copy this block, and here I will give move to mouse dot off. And in this also you have to give mouse. Now go to your controls again. On event screen one, mouse down. Then I want that my turtle to move. First of all I want it to pen down, and by default our color is our black. So I want to set the pen color to black. Move to mouse dot x, mouse dot y. Now I will give the mouse here again in functions, and let's see. Yeah, it's working. Now go to UI controls and take on event slider one, change. Then go to turtle, and here you can see pen width. Now go to UI controls and take this get text. Get number from this slider. 1. Now on event, button 1 click. Then I want to set the pen color to red. Okay. Now I will just copy this block. Okay. Now on event, button 2 get click. I want to set color to can. On event, button 3 click. Then I want to set color to the RGB. Okay. So we need to remove these codes and paste up these RGB codes. Okay. Now here I have button 4. I will click button 4. Button 4 get click. I want to set the RGB to this value. So here I will again remove the codes. Now when this button 5 will get click, I want to set the RGB of value of this to this. Button 5, yeah, and it's very important to remove codes in RGB. And if you are giving hex codes, then no need to remove the codes. Okay. Now on event, button 6 will click. Now go to maths, and here you can see random number. First of all, I will just remove the codes. Give RGB 0. Yeah. Now here I will give random number in these RGB boxes, and I will give 0 255 0 255 0 255. Yeah. Now I want that it change in every 1 second. So I will take time loop and give this thing here. And I want when these buttons, color buttons, will get clicked, I don't want this to happen. So I will just stop the time loop in this. Okay. Okay, now we have done. Let's see. Now let's just click this. We can increase the size of it. Okay, now we will code for the eraser. So what we will do here, we will just copy this block and give button 6 on event, button 6 stop time loop, then give quotes, double quotes, and give white. And let's run, and let's just see. It just fill, and I will click eraser, and here you can see click the eraser. Why this is not erasing? Button, oh yeah, this is button 7. Okay, button 6 is this. Okay, so first of all we will just try to, now let's try to erase. You can see I can erase. Here you can see I can edit also. Okay, so this is our app. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you want this app link, then you need to join my Discord server. Bye.